If you want to know how I did this look with the crochet method passion twist, stay tuned. Here I have inserted a clip. Hey you guys, welcome to being Erica Dixon. I was doing my passion twist crochet rubber band method hairstyle. So I just wanted to come on here and show you guys how I achieved this method. I'm so oily. It's crazy. So I take my pre-section hair. Give me some shining gel. Kinda put it on my hair. Put it on my crochet hook. I just take my crochet hook. Push it in. That part. Now take my Crochet Passion Twist. This is what I do. I unravel it slightly. Just taking it between my fingers. As you can see, it's like a third strand in the middle. I kind of put my finger in between that to loosen it up, because if you don't put your finger in between that to loosen that third string up, it won't allow you to do the technique that I'm doing. Just put it in my finger. Apply it to the hook. Pull it through. Take the crochet hook off. Hold my hair with the pre-loop hair. Pulling it, both of them in between. Inside the loop. So this is the technique. I separate my hair in two. Pull that rubber band tight. Then I unravel this passion twist. It's about the length of my hair. And I put these two together. I get some more shining gel. Put it on the hair. And then I begin to twist down. See that? Do it one more time. Add some shining gel to this pre-section rubber band portion of my hair. Take my crochet hook. Stick it in the parts. Take my I'm missing one. It's on the floor. Pre-stretch hair. I unravel it slightly because it has that. Where's that third? See that third strand? Take my finger in, kind of, because it won't let you unravel if you don't take the third strand. Put it on the hook. Close the hook. Pull it through. Take the crochet passion twist with my hair. Pull it through the loop together. Now you're left with this. So all I do is take some shining gel. Rub it down. Unravel this twist again. So I unravel. Oh Lord, let me move my hair out the way. I kind of see like which direction the twist is going. So this twist is going to be right over left. So I'm going to take the right side and pull it over the left. until I twist down. I mean, twist it over the left. Until I get to the end of my hair. Get some more shiny gel jam as needed. When you get to the end of your hair, you just kind of twist it in between your fingers. Voila. I don't know what happened with this one. Hold on. Voila. One more thing. So the last and final one. This crazy thing. No, it's the last one. And we are finished. But I'm gonna turn them. Wait a minute.